Welcome back to Daytime Live. Right now we're joined by Rising Star, and she's the one that everybody has on the top of their list as a star to watch. This is Miss Alicai Harley. How are you?
Welcome. Alright, so Alicai, you were born in Kingston, but you live in London. Yeah. Tell us a little bit more about yourself. When you started in music?
Music was always a thing. It was always for me, like I was literally born to do music. I moved to London when I was 5, turned 6 the next month. My mum first moved over and then she sent for me and the rest of my siblings. I started picking up music in 2008, like going out there, doing it by myself and stuff like that. I did a lot of open mics. The first single that kind of put me out there was a single called Gold in 2017. And I've just kind of gone from strength and strength and strength, and I'm just waving my flag.
But hold on. So you rap, you DJ, you sing,
and dance.
Yeah.
So tell us a little bit about how you hone your style, like how you.
Because it's like I grew up in R&B and dancehall, but I lived in South London. So I have the blend of the fact that I am a yard gal, and then loving R&B music, and I just kind of mold it all up. It just comes out very natural. I mean, you'll hear it, but it's just like it's just me, and it just represents where I come from, you know.
That's not bro God, but sister got it. What brings you home to Jamaica?
I feel like right now I come back twice, and I shot 2 videos, but I've never come back and really introduce myself back to Jamaica, and kind of I feel like I want everyone to know that it's not just someone doing dancehall music from the UK, but it's someone that was born in Jamaica, really proud of their country, and waving a flag for Jamaica. And I'm back here for that.
Well, I heard you were rehearsing and you can't hear it.
Thank you.
Yeah, right. Alright, so the latest single that you're going to be doing for us today, what's the name of it?
It's called Rushing.
Rushing.
And they're on the Pause rhythm.
Mad, Pause rhythm.
Well, you were actually chick.
Yeah, man, they should have the two of them at our disposal. That's it.
Alright.
Rushing.
Yeah, man, Rushing.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Thank you so much.
Where you rushing go? Where you rushing go?
Thank you so much.
No, I like your voice. I like your sound.
Thank you.
Yeah. Very, very interesting.
Yeah.
Joel, you're going away.
Yeah, man, nice going away.
Oh, thank you. I hope so.
All right, so first of all, tell us about the production of this track. Who produced it?
This was produced by Sean Izzo. Big up, Sean Izzo.
Big up. All right.
Where can we find you online?
Everywhere online, Alicai Harley. ALICAI HARLEY.
Well, come again.
Start again. ALICAI HARLEY.
All right.
On everything.
Who are you bringing for the? I'm sure, because you're in tune to what go on, right? So who are you bringing for the Red Bull Sound Clash?
Who am I bringing? Well, at this time, I'm actually just bringing my team, you know? Bringing my team and myself.
All right.
And I'll be letting you guys all know what's going on, you know? At the clash, you know, so the clash them, you know what I got.
No.
I'll let you know what's going on.
Who you think are going to win, though? You know, so whenever they're going to let you have,
I don't know. I was going through this whole thing yesterday. I don't know, you know. It's a stick. I can't tell you. It's a sticky one. Anything could happen. You never know.
Are they
I wouldn't put my money on it because I don't know.
Are there any other producers you'd like to be working with?
Any producers?
Like if there's one that jumps out at you, like, I want to do some work with that producer.
I definitely want to get back in with Sean Izzo. But producer I really want to work with is Dave Kelly.
Mad.
Definitely.
Mad. Thing that I noticed that you gave everybody in the audience a copy.
Yeah.
Yes, I did.
You gave everyone in the audience.
No, I got one as well. You guys got one as well. So everyone's got one.
Yeah, one that I feel.
But that's how you know me already.
No, yourself, man. You're safe, man.
Come on.
But for the people who didn't get one, who are not here in the audience, just tell us one more time your social media handle.
Alicai Harley on everything. That's ALICAI HARLEY.
All right.
Really hard, you know. You hear the accent.
Listen, Daytime Live. We'll be right back, getting rid of Joel, and we'll be talking more about dub.
Nice.